Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an alien pumpkin. It's gonna be like a one-eyed pumpkin, so it's gonna be fun, easy, simple for beginners. So it's gonna be step by step for beginners. Anybody can draw it. I'm gonna be using this Acrylic brand marker and also this regular printing paper. So, anyways, let's get started. Okay. First thing though, don't forget if you really like Halloween drawing lessons that are for everyone. Occasionally we'll do an intermediate one, but almost all of them are for beginners. Click the subscribe and bell notification. I only post during this season, and that's it. So when you subscribe, it's gonna subscribe you for like next year. You know, when I start posting again, because about like November, December, I don't post as much. Through the year, I don't post as much. Only during Halloween. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to start with curve for the top of the eye shape. Curve here for the lower shape. Gonna go over here. Gonna thicken that one out. Gonna go circle for kind of the pupil, the outside iris, I guess. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw kind of a triangle shape for the highlight. And I'm going to draw a circle here for the inside. It's going to be like kind of like a triangle, but then you cut that edge of the triangle off on the highlight there. I'm going to draw smaller, thinner lines, kind of pulling out of the radius here. Like so. Right on. And then I'm going to draw a curved line over here, curved line over here, curved line below, curved line below, curved line below here, curved line below here. I'm going to draw a smiley face right here. So over here, pull out, over here. It's going to be the edges of the mouth I'm finding. Down, curve around, and then up. Okay. And we're going to go over here and I'm going to draw teeth. And I'm going to change the size up on teeth. Obviously, these are going to be sharp teeth that are, they're obviously just triangle shapes. Right? And I'm going to change up the size to make it look a little bit more real. I love Halloween, by the way. I'm really excited about this year. I really want to do a whole lot for this channel for this year, so hopefully you'll stick around. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna curve. I'll draw the curve for the outside of the pumpkin. Go over here. Curve on this side. Top, down. Top, down. Right here. Over here as well. For kind of the top of that pumpkin area. And I'm going to have the stem stick out over here. And I want to have like kind of a jaggedy stem. Obviously it's usually just like a stick, but I want to have one of those more jaggedy ones like that. Line over here. Line over here, line over here. Down here. Pull up here. See, and I'm throwing thinner lines here to make it look like the part of the stem that's kind of crunchy and stuff like that. Now let's go over here to the pumpkin surface, and I'm going to draw thinner lines, but they're not going to touch the features, but it's going to be the rivets of the pumpkin, right? The shape of the pumpkin itself. Line over here, over here, line over here. here. And I'm putting a little bit of shadow here. This is like some detail, right? I'm thickening out the stuff underneath the pumpkin area. Like, sorry, underneath the mouth. Just darkening it there to make it look like there's a little bit of a shadow going down. And it actually adds a lot to the design. These small little details. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comments. And by the way, I reply to every single comment, so challenge me. Like, it'll be eventually, but I reply to every single comment. Okay, and if you really want, you could darken the eye a little bit as well. Like so. I'm drawing little tick marks here, like that's kind of like these little tiny, you're drawing little tiny dots everywhere, and it kind of just gives it a whole, like a little texture, and you're putting it everywhere. I know these seem advanced, but you know, it's pretty, it's like something even beginners can do, and it just kind of gives it a little texture everywhere. It's even hard to see on camera, but matters a lot. Anyways, that's it. One thing I want to tell you really quick, I have an announcement. Do not forget that I am giving out a free PDF. It is a free Halloween drawing ebook, and basically these are Halloween drawing templates. These are basically, you know, how-tos of past drawings, and there's a whole lot. There's 100 of them. There's 100 of them in this ebook, and they're easy to print. So if you press print, and then you go to, you know, I think in the printer settings you can pick what page to print. You can absolutely do that. So go check that out right now. It is completely free. Completely free. I used to sell this item, but I just decided this year to make it free as a reward for anyone that's been on the channel or even new to the channel. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to put that as the first link at the top of the description. So go take a look at that after this video. And, you know, enjoy. I really do hope you enjoy. I'll see you a lot more through the day, and I'll talk to you later, okay? Or the next few days, or the next few months, and I will talk to you later, okay? I need you to stay, what was it? Stay spooky. All right. Have a good one, everybody. Later.